Have you ever wondered if there's a simple, natural way to lower your blood pressure? What if you could make just one small change to your daily routine that could protect your heart? In today's video, I'm going to share a powerful, all-natural recipe that can help you lower your blood pressure by drinking just 1 cup of tea a day. But before we dive in, always remember to consult with your doctor before trying any new remedies, especially if you're on medication. High blood pressure can damage your arteries and veins over time, so addressing it at the root is key. While medications may help, they can often come with unwanted side effects. Luckily, nature provides us with amazing ingredients that can normalize blood pressure safely and effectively. So, what's the secret? It's a unique blend of herbs and natural ingredients that work together to support your heart and improve circulation. Let's explore how each one plays a role in this powerful tea. Dried orange peels are our first key ingredient. These contain a flavonoid called hesperidin, which works wonders for improving circulation. It helps prevent the buildup of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, which can clog arteries and raise blood pressure over time. Orange peels also add a pleasant, citrusy aroma to the blend. Next, we have dried hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus is known for acting as a natural ACE inhibitor, which means it helps relax the arteries, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Its diuretic properties also aid in balancing fluid levels in the body, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Dried nettle leaf is rich in essential minerals like potassium and magnesium, which are critical for maintaining proper fluid balance in the body. These minerals help reduce inflammation and ease tension in the blood vessels, which can contribute to lower blood pressure. Nettle is also known for its ability to support kidney function, making it an excellent addition to this blend. Dried lemon balm helps lower cortisol levels, a hormone associated with stress. High cortisol levels can lead to stress-related hypertension, so by including lemon balm, we help address the root cause of this type of high blood pressure. We also include licorice root for its unique ability to balance cortisol. While it can be helpful, it's important to use licorice root cautiously, as it may affect potassium levels. If you have concerns about this, you may want to consult with your healthcare provider before using this ingredient regularly. As an optional ingredient, you can add a pinch of black pepper. This not only enhances the absorption of the nutrients in the tea, but also has its own anti-inflammatory properties, which are beneficial for overall heart health. Finally, we add vitamin D3 drops. Vitamin D3 is essential for maintaining a healthy heart and proper fluid balance in the body. It's a crucial nutrient that many people are deficient in, and incorporating it into the tea ensures you're supporting your cardiovascular system in multiple ways. If you prefer a bit of sweetness, feel free to include a few drops of liquid stevia, a natural sweetener that helps balance out any bitterness from the herbs without affecting blood sugar levels. How to prepare the tea. Now let's walk through how to prepare this heart-healthy tea step by step. It's a simple process, and you'll be able to enjoy all the benefits with just a few minutes of preparation each day. Step 1. Begin by boiling about 10 ounces of water. It's important to use fresh water to ensure the best flavor and maximum nutrient extraction from the herbs. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Add your dried herbs into the water. This includes the orange peel, hibiscus flowers, nettle leaf, lemon balm, licorice root, and optionally a pinch of black pepper. These ingredients work together to support your cardiovascular system, each bringing its own benefits to the blend. Step 3. Allow the herbs to steep in the hot water for about 9 minutes. This time is essential for the herbs to release their active compounds fully, which will provide the health benefits we're aiming for. After steeping, strain the tea to remove the herbs and enjoy the clear, flavorful liquid. Step 4. After the tea has cooled slightly but is still warm, add your vitamin D3 drops for an extra heart health boost. If you prefer a bit of sweetness, this is also the time to add liquid stevia. It helps to balance any bitterness from the herbs without adding extra calories or affecting your blood sugar. We'll also visually demonstrate the process so you can see exactly how it's done and follow along. Once you make this a part of your daily routine, you'll be getting a natural, heart-friendly boost with each cup. It's important to be consistent with this tea. For the best results, drink it daily for at least 6 weeks. Over time, the cumulative effects of these powerful herbs will help support lower blood pressure and overall heart health. The key to seeing long-term benefits is to stick with it. Additional tips for lowering blood pressure. In addition to drinking the heart blend tea, there are several other steps you can take to naturally lower your blood pressure and improve heart health. Let's start with some dietary suggestions that complement the benefits of the tea. First, if you're a coffee drinker, try to limit your coffee intake to 1 cup per day. While coffee can have some health benefits, too much caffeine can lead to increased blood pressure, especially for those who are sensitive to it. By cutting back, you can help maintain more stable blood pressure levels throughout the day. Next, focus on increasing your intake of antioxidant-rich foods. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are excellent sources of antioxidants that help protect the blood vessels. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, are known to support heart health by reducing inflammation. Additionally, make sure to include zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds and chickpeas, as zinc is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure and supporting the immune system. When it comes to meals, incorporating more raw salads with leafy greens is a great way to improve your potassium intake, which helps balance sodium levels in the body. Adding avocados to your salads provides a heart-healthy source of potassium and healthy fats that can help reduce blood pressure. On the lifestyle side, staying hydrated is essential. Make sure to drink 1 to 2 liters of water daily to support proper kidney function and promote healthy blood flow. Staying hydrated also helps regulate blood pressure naturally. You can enhance the benefits of your water by adding apple cider vinegar and a squeeze of lemon juice, which can support heart health by improving cholesterol levels and providing a gentle detox for the body. Incorporating deep breathing exercises and daily walks can be incredibly effective for stress relief, which in turn helps reduce stress-induced hypertension. Even just a few minutes of deep, mindful breathing each day can relax your nervous system and improve circulation. Adding a daily walk into your routine, especially in nature, helps reduce stress hormones and keeps your cardiovascular system active. Lastly, consider taking supplements like magnesium glycinate. Magnesium is a crucial mineral that helps relax arteries and improve blood flow, and it also promotes better sleep quality, which is key for heart health. Many people are deficient in magnesium, so incorporating this supplement can make a big difference in your overall well-being and help further reduce blood pressure. As you begin incorporating the heart blend tea and other tips into your daily routine, it's important to monitor your progress. Using a home blood pressure monitor is an easy and effective way to track your numbers regularly. This allows you to see how your body is responding to the tea and lifestyle changes over time. Be sure to take readings at consistent times each day to get the most accurate data. If you're currently on medication for high blood pressure, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your health regimen. These natural remedies can complement your treatment, but your doctor can help you adjust dosages or monitor your condition as needed to ensure everything is working in harmony. If you found these tips helpful and want to stay updated with more health advice, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next videos. In fact, if you're interested in learning more about how to naturally unclog your arteries, tap on the video that's on the screen now. Thank you for watching, and I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. Stay tuned for more tips and take care.